Think soaking pumpkin seeds is as simple as tossing them in water overnight? Think again. Most people don't realize that soaking these tiny seeds the wrong way can actually strip them of their nutrients or make them go bad faster. In this video, you'll learn the 5 critical mistakes almost everyone makes with soaking pumpkin seeds, how these errors impact their nutrition and safety, and the simple tricks to soak them perfectly every time, so you get the best flavor and health benefits. Soaking pumpkin seeds is a game changer because it breaks down enzyme inhibitors, natural blockers that make digestion tough and stop your body from soaking up all the good stuff. When you soak them properly, you unlock their full nutritional power and make them easier on your stomach. But if you get it wrong, you could be wasting time and missing out on those benefits entirely. Let's break down the most common mistakes people make when soaking pumpkin seeds, starting with one that almost no one talks about. Mistake number 1. Not rinsing before soaking. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping the rinsing step before soaking pumpkin seeds. Seeds often come coated with dust, dirt, or even pesticides from processing and packaging. When you soak them without rinsing, these contaminants remain on the seeds and can multiply as bacteria thrive in the warm, moist environment. This not only increases the risk of foodborne illness, but can also affect the taste and smell of your seeds. The fix here is simple but crucial. Always rinse your pumpkin seeds thoroughly under cold running water before soaking. This cleans away any dirt and bacteria, giving you a fresh start and safer, better tasting seeds. Mistake number 2. Using plain water instead of salted or acidic water. Another common mistake is soaking pumpkin seeds in plain water, which doesn't help much in breaking down the natural enzyme inhibitors that seeds contain. These inhibitors are designed by nature to protect the seed from premature sprouting, but they also block your body's ability to fully absorb vital nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and iron. Using just plain water misses the chance to deactivate these blockers effectively. To fix this, add a small amount of sea salt or an acidic ingredient such as lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to the soaking water. The salt or acid changes the pH level, activating enzymes that neutralize inhibitors and boost digestion and nutrient absorption. This simple tweak makes a big difference in how your body benefits from pumpkin seeds. Mistake number 3. Soaking too long or too short. Timing is critical when soaking pumpkin seeds. Many people either don't soak their seeds long enough or leave them soaking for too long. Soaking for less than 4 hours doesn't give the enzymes enough time to break down the inhibitors properly, so the seeds remain difficult to digest and less nutritious. On the other hand, soaking seeds for longer than 12 hours risks fermentation, leading to off flavors and even mold development, which can be harmful. The ideal soaking time is between 6 and 8 hours at room temperature, which is long enough to activate enzymes and improve digestibility, but short enough to prevent spoilage. Setting a timer or soaking seeds overnight and draining them in the morning is an easy way to get this right. Mistake number 4. Not drying properly after soaking. Once the seeds are soaked, another mistake is not drying them thoroughly before storage. Soaked pumpkin seeds are wet and moist, creating a perfect environment for mold and bacteria to grow if stored damp. Eating moldy seeds can cause digestive issues and allergic reactions, not to mention ruin the taste and texture of your snack. To avoid this, after soaking and rinsing, dry your seeds completely by either air drying them on a clean towel, or dehydrator overnight, or roasting them lightly in the oven. Proper drying preserves the seed's crunchiness, prevents spoilage, and extends shelf life. Mistake number 5. Ignoring storage after soaking. Even after soaking and drying, improper storage can ruin your pumpkin seeds. Leaving them exposed to heat, moisture, or air causes the fats in the seeds to go rancid quickly, resulting in off odors and reduced nutritional value. This is especially common if seeds are stored in a kitchen cabinet or at room temperature in a non-airtight container. To fix this, store your soaked and dried pumpkin seeds in airtight containers inside the refrigerator. This keeps the seeds fresh for weeks, prevents rancidity, and maintains their flavor and health benefits. For longer storage, you can even freeze them. Bonus tip: add your favorite spices like smoked paprika, garlic powder, or cinnamon before roasting to make your pumpkin seeds delicious and nutritious snacks. Follow these steps, and you'll unlock the full health benefits of pumpkin seeds every time. If you tried soaking your seeds the right way, drop a comment below and let me know how it went. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.